Good morning children, Sai Ram. Welcome back in our today's session. I hope children you all are studying very well for your second semester examination. Am I correct children? Okay. So as you all know, we have finished our portion of second semester Maths full part 2. Okay, Maths textbook page number 49 to 76 will come in the exam. So children, today we are going to revise numbers, number names and tables. So first of all we will revise all the numbers from 301 to 350. 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, 309, 310, 311, 312, 313, 314, 315, 316, 317, 318, 319, 320, 321, 322, 323, 324, 325, 326, 328, 327, 328, 329, 330, 331, 332, 333, 334, 335, 336, 337, 338, 339, 340, 341, 342, 343, 344, 345, 346, 347, 348, 349, 350. Okay children, now let's see the number names from 301 to 350. 301, THREEHUNDREDONE, 301. 302, THREEHUNDREDTWO, 302. 303, THREEHUNDREDTHREE, 303. 304, THREEHUNDREDFOUR, 304. 305, THREEHUNDREDFOUR, 304. 305, THREEHUNDREDFIVE, 305. 306, THREEHUNDREDSIX, 306. 307, THREEHUNDREDSEVEN, 307. 308, THREEHUNDREDEIGHT, 308. 309, THREEHUNDREDNINE, 309. 310, THREEHUNDREDTEN, 310. 311, THREEHUNDREDELEVEN, 311. 312, THREEHUNDREDTWELVE, 312. 313, THREEHUNDREDTHIRTEN, 313. 314, THREEHUNDREDFOURTEN, 314. 315, THREEHUNDREDFIFTEN, 315. 316, THREEHUNDREDSIXTWEN, 316. 317, THREEHUNDRED SEVENTEEN 317 318 THREEHUNDRED EIGHTWN 318 319 THREEHUNDRED NINETWN 319 320 THREEHUNDRED TWENTY 320 321 THREEHUNDRED TWENTYONE 321 322 THREEHUNDRED TWENTYTWO 322 323 THREEHUNDRED TWENTYTHREE 323 324 THREEHUNDRED TWENTYFOUR 324 325 THREEHUNDRED TWENTYFIVE 325 326 THREEHUNDRED TWENTYSIX 326 327 THREEHUNDRED TWENTYSEVEN 327 328 THREEHUNDRED TWENTYEIGHT 328 329 THREEHUNDRED TWENTYNINE 329 330 THREEHUNDRED THIRTY 330 331 THREEHUNDRED THIRTYONE 331 332 THREEHUNDRED THIRTYTWO 332 333 THREEHUNDRED THIRTY THREE 333 334 THREEHUNDRED THIRTYFOUR 334 335 THREEHUNDRED THIRTYFIVE 335 336 THREEHUNDRED THIRTYSIX 336 337 THREEHUNDRED THIRTYSEVEN 337 338 THREEHUNDRED THIRTYEIGHT 338 339 THREEHUNDRED THIRTYNINE 339 340 THREEHUNDRED FORTY 340 341 THREEHUNDRED FORTYONE 341 342 THREEHUNDRED FORTYTWO 342 343 THREEHUNDRED FORTYTHREE 343 344 THREEHUNDRED FORTYFOUR 344, 345, THREEHUNDRED FORTY FIVE 345, 346, THREEHUNDRED FORTYSIX 346, 347, THREEHUNDRED FORTYSEVEN 347, 348, THREEHUNDRED FORTYEIGHT 348, 349, THREEHUNDRED FORTYNINE 349, 350, THREEHUNDRED FIFTY 350. Let's count the numbers 351 to 400. 351, 352, 353, 354, 355, 356, 357, 358, 359, 360, 361, 362, 363, 364, 365, 366, 367, 368, 369, 370, 371, 372, 373, 375, 376. 75 is repeated, children. Okay. 376, 377, 378, 379, 380, 381, 382, 383, 384, 385, 386, 387, 388, 389, 390, 391, 392, 393, 394, 395, 396, 397, 398, 399, 400. Now let's see the number names. 351, THREEHUNDRED and FIFTYONE 351, 352, THREEHUNDRED and FIFTYTWO 352, 353, THREEHUNDRED and FIFTYTHREE 353, 354, THREEHUNDRED and FIFTYFOUR 354, 355, THREEHUNDRED and FIFTYFIVE 355, 356, THREEHUNDRED and FIFTYSIX 356, 357, THREEHUNDRED and FIFTYSEVEN 357, 358, THREEHUNDRED and FIFTYEIGHT 358, 359, THREEHUNDRED and FIFTYNINE 359, 360, THREEHUNDRED and SIXTY 360, 361, THREEHUNDRED and SIXTYONE 361, 362. THREEHUNDRED and SIXTYTWO 362. 363. THREEHUNDRED and SIXTYTHREE 363. 364. THREEHUNDRED and SIXTYFOUR 364. 365. THREEHUNDRED and SIXTYFIVE 365. 366. THREEHUNDRED and SIXTYSIX 366. 367. THREEHUNDRED and SIXTYSEVEN 367. 368. THREEHUNDRED and SIXTYEIGHT 368. 369. THREEHUNDRED and SIXTYNINE 369. 370. THREEHUNDRED and SEVENTY 370. 371. THREEHUNDRED and SEVENTYONE 371. 372. THREEHUNDRED and SEVENTYTWO 372. 373. THREEHUNDRED and SEVENTYTHREE 373. 374. THREEHUNDRED and SEVENTYFOUR 374. 375. THREEHUNDRED and SEVENTYFIVE 375. 376. THREEHUNDRED and SEVENTYSIX 376. 377. THREEHUNDRED and SEVENTYSEVEN 377. 378. THREEHUNDRED and SEVENTYEIGHT 378. 379. THREEHUNDRED and SEVENTYNINE 379. 380. THREEHUNDRED and EIGHTY 380. 381. THREEHUNDRED and EIGHTYONE 381. 382. THREEHUNDRED and EIGHTYTWO 382. 383. THREEHUNDRED and EIGHTYTHREE 383. 384. THREEHUNDRED and EIGHTYFOUR 384. 385. THREEHUNDRED and EIGHTYFIVE 385. 386. THREEHUNDRED and EIGHTYSIX 386. 387. THREEHUNDRED and EIGHTYSEVEN 387, 388, THREEHUNDRED and EIGHTY 388, 389, THREEHUNDRED and EIGHTYNINE 389, 390, THREEHUNDRED and NINETY 390, 391, THREEHUNDRED and NINETY 391, 392, THREEHUNDRED and NINETY TWO 392, 393, THREEHUNDRED and NINETY THREE 393, 394, THREEHUNDRED and NINETY FOUR 394, 395, THREEHUNDRED and NINETY FIVE 395, 396, 396, THREEHUNDRED and NINETY SIX 396, 397, THREEHUNDRED and NINETY SEVEN 397, 398, THREEHUNDRED and NINETY EIGHT 398, 399, THREEHUNDRED and NINETY NINE 399, 400, FOURHUNDRED 400. I hope children you all must have understood the number names which we have already learnt and you have also written in your notebook. So now for your exam of second semester exam, you are going to revise all the numbers and number names. Also you are going to learn all the number names. Let's see table of 4. Now we are going to revise table of 4 which is going to come in the exam. Table of 4 and table of 5. Okay. I hope you all must have learnt also. So you can all repeat after me. Say 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Okay children. One more time we are going to revise. You all can repeat after me or you can say with me. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Now let's see table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. I hope you all must have learned table of 4 and 5. Come on, one more time. Repeat table of 5 after me. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Okay children, I hope you all will study well for your exam. Learn all the hard all the tables, like table of 4, 5, and all the numbers and number names, and all the portion of part 2, like I told you, it starts from maths textbook page number 49 to 76. Okay children, so study well and all the best all of you. Thank you so much.